What's up, squad? I am back at the Mustang again, doing my thing. And before I get started, just want to let y'all know I appreciate the support. I need more. I want y'all to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. I must be helping a lot of people because I'm getting a lot of messages asking me for help, but I'm not getting the shares that I need, and I'm not getting the subscribers that I need. So I'm pushing, I'm pushing, I'm pushing. I'm gonna keep putting content out there. So I just need y'all to help me out, help me build the channel, help more people, and this is what I love to do. So, you know. Anyway, I appreciate you watching and for whatever support I can get. So we're here. I got power to the Mustang, finally. So I'm kind of juiced right now because I've been working at this and I'm finally getting to the finishing stages of being able to actually start the car. So what I'm pointing at right now is where the battery is going to be. I relocated it from the front of the car to the back of the car. So I haven't went and bought a battery yet, but I built my knock box a little while ago and it's got a battery down in the bottom of it. So I just ran a set of jumper cables from it over to the trunk and just hooked it up to the cable that I got wired into the car. So that's how I'm getting power right now. So tail lights on. I have nothing up front as far as bulbs go. No headlights, no nothing. I haven't even put the bulbs in yet. But that's not my concern right now. My concern right now is this power module. And I know it's dark down there, so I'm finna show y'all what I've been doing. I've been wiring this harness in, and I'm finna turn the ignition on. See that? That module is down in there and it's powered up, which means I got my connections right. And got the fuel pump in and powered up. Got the harness, the computer to the car, and I'm ready to go. So those lights that you see is supposed to be 4, but I'm getting 3. So if you see this, you'll see 3, and then 1 will go out. Okay, so that third one is the fuel pump. And the reason why it doesn't stay lit is because I'm not actually cranking the car and got the engine rotating. So it's out until the car actually starts. But that one flash lets me know that I'm getting power to the fuel pump. Not to mention I can actually hear it back there running. So the only connection that I don't have at this point is the check engine light, and that is a necessary connection in order to start the car. It won't even do a self test if I don't start the car. So this is the control module. Put a little light down here, and those are all the relays. And this harness came with its own relay box. So the engine, the fuse panel that's factory with the car is also still hooked up, but for these systems, this harness is controlling those systems now, independent of the factory fuse box. So looking online, I was told that this is one of the connections to the fuel pump that I'd be making, and I would just be able to cap off the other one, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So that's one thing I need to hook up. So that's the only connection for this wiring harness. Once I get this one connection done, I will be done hooking up this Ford Racing harness. It took some doing. So let me go over here and show y'all something different. That light will pop on as soon as I walk around here. So, okay. Look at that. I have not seen my dash lit up in so long. That is a beautiful sight to me. Like, you have no idea right now what I'm feeling. But I am feeling really good that I got things hooked up. So as you can see, get my flashlight again. I've been up under here going to work, and I know this looks like a jumbled mess, but this is because I've just been down here making connections and testing connections and doing things, and this is kind of where I am. But now that I got the connections, now I can start zip tying wires out of the way and making it look all tidy. So like even my dash display, you see it's not even screwed down yet. So you know, you don't want to get the screwing stuff down till you know you did everything right. So what you see right here is a jumper wire, because I got this harness ran to this side, and this is one of the wires that goes to the check engine light, and I just haven't figured out where it goes. And something tells me that it's on that harness over there. So before I get to tidying everything up, I just put a jumper wire here just so I can see if I can get the power from over on that side. And so that's kind of where I am with that. But I have power. The harness is in. It is connected properly. One more connection is all I need. I'm not for sure. This is the wire that goes to the tach, but I'm not positive that I would even need that. I guess I'll know whenever I get the car started and see the tach going up and down. If I don't see it going up and down, I know what wire to put it on. But if it's not a necessary connection, then I won't make it. So I got the MSD ignition in, and it is wired up right. So I'll walk around here and this is all I've been dealing with is just wiring. And so I'm gonna show you what I've been doing. So the MSD is in, and it has to be wired to the coil as well as to the starter relay. And if you can see this wire here, you can see I just had a ground over here. So I just wanted to make sure that the ignition control box was actually powering up, and it is. I don't know if I can show that, but there's a, let's see if I can point this right there. Right next to that little black thing right there, there's a little LED light right there. Let's see if I can fix this, because I'd like to show. Hopefully it'll stay.